Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So if you're seeing me for the first time, I am Anjali and you're watching Ashes Heaven. Okay guys, so hope you are doing well and really keeping safe. Even I am doing good. So today's video is all about my monthly favorite video. So this video is all about my May month favorite products. So this is my first ever monthly favorites video, and going forward I will definitely upload the videos of all my monthly favorites going forward. So I'm going to share few of the products which has become my favorite during the month of May. So let's quickly get into the video. So before we get into the video, hope everyone have watched my recent video on moisturizer. So if not, I'll just upload in the iCard above. If anyone of you have missed it, can definitely go there and watch and select your favorite moisturizer that really suits your skin. So let's get started. Okay guys, so to begin with, my most favorite or frequently used product during the month of May was not undoubtedly a sunscreen, so which is from the brand Pond's, and this was one of my most favorite product during the month of May and even currently as well, because sunscreens are actually unavoidable during summers. Not only during summers, every day whenever you are going out, you should definitely apply a sunscreen because it stops your skin from the hardly harmful or deadful UV rays that is produced from the sunlight. So you should definitely make a habit of using sunscreen whenever you are stepping out of your home. That really protects your skin from the harmful rays which is found in the sunlight as well. So undoubtedly this is my first favorite product that I used most frequently in the month of May. This is because with SPF 30 generally you can use or select the sunscreens which is having up to a greater SPF, but in this it is only 30. But even then this works. Only thing is you will have to reapply if you are going for a long journey, or if you are having a long travel, then you will have to keep on reapplying this. Other than that, it is a very good formula. It has a very good formula, and it also applies very well on your skin, and it suits all the skin types. So this is my first monthly favorite. My next favorite product which I used in the previous month, which is, and even now I am using this is the Pond's moisturizer. This is very good moisturizer and it keeps your skin hydrated and moisturized throughout the day, guys. So this suits really good on all the skin types. Though I am having an oily skin, but then even then it suits well. I mean it worked well on my skin as well. A light moisturizer, and it is absolutely true that this is very light and the formula is not heavy. So this has a very light performance. I mean to say the consistency is very light and gel like consistency you have, and if you apply it on your skin, it quickly dries up as well and keeps your skin hydrated and moisturized throughout the day. So moisturizer is a mandatory thing if you apply a makeup or for your daily skincare. Moisturizer is just unavoidable, so you can select a very good moisturizer. So I would suggest Pond's if you are looking for a budget friendly and affordable moisturizer. Then in that range, Pond's moisturizer is one of the best moisturizers. So this is my next favorite product. Next product that I would like to share is a lip balm. So this is from Nykaa Lip Crush Macaron shaped lip balm. I have talked so much about this in my earlier videos, so you can just check that out, and you can research more for this. As of now, I'm just going to give a random review of and this. Mostly used lip balm during the month of May. Last month I was completely using this lip balm because I got this. There was a summer super saver days going on in Nykaa. So in that sale I purchased a lot of products, and out of which I purchased this lip balm as well. So I had to try how it works on my lips. So this is just amazing, guys. This removes any dead skin cells on your lips and keeps your lips soft and moisturized throughout the day. If you have a very dry and patchy lips, then please apply this lip balm while you sleep or during your daytimes. It removes all the dead skin cells and keep your lips super soft, guys. So this is a very basic lip balm, I must say. So this is under the variant Blueberry, and if you open, it looks like a blue tint, but this is not tinted when you apply. This is a very base lip balm, and you can easily apply this as a moisturizer before you apply a lipstick. This works great on your lips, guys. So this is my next favorite product. So as we are talking about the lips, now let me introduce you my favorite lipstick. So this is again from Nykaa. So this is Nykaa mini liquid matte lipstick. So this is the mini variant of the liquid matte lipstick which Nykaa is selling. So this is under the shade or variant 05 Madras Kapi, and I have already uploaded a video on my top 5 nude lipstick collection. So here is the iCard above. If anyone of you have missed, please click that and watch the video. So in that I have shared my favorite top 5 nude lipstick as well, so that is the link. And yeah, if I talk about this is a really great shade for a dusky or a medium skin tone like mine. If yours is a skin tone mine like, then you can definitely purchase this and you will be in love with this shade, guys. Because earlier when I was when I was ordering, I was a little bit scared because does this suit my skin type, or I was having a lot of questions going throughout my mind. But when I received this and when I applied it, oh my god, it was just amazing, guys. This suited so well on my skin and it was giving a very natural look, that as if I have not applied a lipstick. This was so, it was blended so much with my lips, and I couldn't afford to buy a bigger one. So for a trial base, I got this mini one, but this is just awesome, and I'm planning to buy a bigger size of this because this is one of my favorite shades as of now. In whatever lipstick I have, this is my most favorite lip shade that I am currently having, guys. So this is under the shade 05 Madras Capri, I have told you. So this has an applicator like this, and the shade is also so good. So I'll just show you the shade. So this is the shade, guys. So this is just amazing, and it looks very beautiful on your lips if you apply it. And no words to express the performance of this lipstick, because I am highly satisfied after purchasing this lipstick. So if anyone with a dusky and a medium skin tone is looking for a nude lipstick, then go for this. This is a great purchase, guys. So this is more towards light brown shade and nude lipstick. You can just try this out. I'll just give the link in the description box below. If anyone is interested, you can definitely purchase this. So this is my next favorite product. Okay, guys, and the next product that I would like to introduce is this kajal. So this is from Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal. So this is a very good kajal. As you can see, I have applied currently this Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal on my eyes. This is jet black and super black. It gives a very good finish once you apply. This is retractable. So as you can see, this is retractable, and it stays for a very good decent amount of time on your eyes, and it is smudge proof, waterproof and non-transferable. This is very good on your eyes, guys. So as you can see, I have applied this currently, and it gives a very good neat finish. And if you want to give a smudgy or a smoky look, you can just spread nicely. It is staying on my eyes, and I'm really happy with the results that I got this after using this. So when compared with L18, I was earlier using the L18 eye drama pencil. So when compared with L18, Nykaa Rock the Line Kajal is very good, guys. So when compared with that, this is really good, and it doesn't give you any irritation or any burning sensation after you apply it on your eyes. Sometimes some eyeliners or some kajals may give an irritation to your eyes after it is applied. Not for everyone. Might be this might be faced by very few people, but in this case, this pencil is not giving any such irritations on your eyes after you apply this. And this looks very good on your eyes. As you can see, I have applied it currently, and it is giving us, it gives a very dark and a black look, and this is really good, and I just love this, guys. So the shade, this is a jet black shade, and I don't choose to use any other colors on my eyes because I only prefer using black. So, and that is why I purchased this jet black shade, and this is a very good kajal if anyone is looking for a change in kajal. So if you are bored of using the same routine kajal, then I would suggest to use this. This is a really good one, and you will love using this, guys. So this is my next favorite product. Let's talk about hair care. So this is Livon hair serum. So in my last purchase, I got this. So hope you have seen this, and I've been using this, and this is really good, guys. So it keeps your hair so, in control. If your hair is so much dried and frizzy kind of a hair, then if you apply this, this gives a very soft and intense result. Will be you can see intense results on your hair. So mine is a dry and a frizzy hair. So once you have a shower and if you come out, once it is little bit wet and before it is completely dried, you can take few drops on your hands, and if you just apply it on your hair, it lays your hair so beautifully instead of getting it dried up. So in that case, this is so good. And earlier I was using Strix serum. So when compared to Strix, I have liked the formula, the smell and consistency of Livon hair serum, because this has a very mild smell. I didn't like the smell of Strix because I felt it is a little bit harsh and I was not happy with the smell. But the smell of Livon hair serum is so good, and it keeps your hair frizz free and damage free. So in my case it worked for me. So if you want to give it a try, please, this is a great product, and I'll just leave the links in the description box below, links of all of these products in the description box below. So if anyone of you are looking to purchase, can get the products. And the last product that I would like to introduce is M Caffeine body scrub. So this is my recent favorite, I must say. I have given as a complimentary, so I just tried it, and I really like this. And this is a very good body scrub, and if any one of you are looking for a very good body scrub which really works on your skin, you can definitely opt for this M Caffeine body scrub, guys. It removes all of the dirt which is accumulated inside your skin cells, guys. So usage of a scrub is very good for your skin, and it is highly recommended to remove all the dirt which is accumulated inside your skin. So in that case, this works as a very good scrub. So it has hard particles also in that, and and you have to apply it on your wet skin, and you have to exfoliate. All of the dirt comes out, and it keeps your skin super soft and healthy, guys. So in this is a coffee body scrub, and once you open it, you have a very strong smell of a coffee powder, guys. So you feel like drinking a coffee immediately once you open this, really, guys. So once you open this, whole of your room will be filled with this smell of coffee, because this initially I was really thinking ki did they send coffee powder instead of the body. My personal experience, I have been using since a couple of days, and I am very happy with the results, guys. So this is my last purchase. This is my monthly favorite video. So hope you have liked it, and I'll just leave the links of all of these products in the description box below. Please check the description box if you need any of this product. And yeah, if you're liking my video and content, please like, share and subscribe, and leave your valuable comments below. So that keeps me motivated and encouraged to do more and more videos related to this. So, and if you have any suggestions also, please leave it in the comment box below. I'll be happy to see that. So see you soon in other video. Till then, bye and take care.